Today we're gonna show you a business for sale. It's a creamery and sells like an ice cream, sells grape, a lot of desserts and coffee at the same time. It's a very nice area, a very nice location. It closed like about 5 minutes from Devonshire Mall, one of the biggest malls in Windsor, Ontario. And let's go right now and take a look at the place.
I like that there are so many parking lots in this plaza. So as you can see, I think it fits up to 30-40 cars here, and also like for the whole of this area. These are our parking lot, and also we have space at the back for your
And Sarah, don't forget, like on
stuff.
summertime, you can have some tables outside, and people can sit even outside here. And just like Sarah was saying, there's a lot of international tenants or businesses around the place, so that's brings a lot of attention to the place. And just looking at the name and the design of this
And also
place,
like this,
it's really high end.
the location is the most important thing. Is like we are on Howard, and we have this tower over there that says the name of the business. So a lot of people are just driving through here and gonna see your business.
Guys, I can't wait to show you the inside, so let's go right
Let's
now
go check it out.
and take a look at the inside. So you can see there's a lot of time, a lot of thinking been spent to create this place. It looks really delicious as soon as you walk in. And there's one thing that you guys can't even see, which is the smell and the feel. Like this place, it smells amazing. So as soon as you smell it, you just wanna go and eat ice cream.
The smell of the ice cream is it's not just a regular smell in every coffee shop you go to. No, this is smell only the people. Like this is remind me of my childhood. Like honestly, like we used to eat like a very delicious ice cream. That it's very rare we find it here in Canada, but this is one of them. Like especially the smell. We've tried it before. Like even the taste is amazing. It's not only the smell.
We used to come to this place before it gets listed for sale. So we know this place pretty well, and we used to eat ice cream from here, so it's really good. And the design and everything, it's really perfect. Like these chairs, there's a lot of chairs, a lot of amount for people to sit here. And I think that's really amazing. And again, we have a lot of place here. These are stuff that to store the ice cream, so people can walk in here, take a look at the ice cream and choose whatever you want. There's a lot of flavors that they have here. And also, Sarah, look at the menu. Look, even the menu, they made it in a way that's very special.
I mean, all the place is very colorful. I think it's very joyful. Like I like all the colors here. Usually, like a coffee shop or especially like an ice cream shop, it has to be colorful. Like
Yeah.
it will give you the vibes, and I think this is actually completing the vibes by the color that has. Like even the background here, like if you can see it, amazing artwork. Such an amazing artwork. There's a lot of drawings there, and I think it completes the vibes of the ice cream.
Exactly. And Sarah, if you see this door right behind you, it has an access to the pizza depot. So the pizza place here, it has an access to this, so people can eat their pizza. As soon as they finish, they can come here to eat sweet, to eat ice
Yeah.
cream. So that's really nice as well.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people know Pizza Depot. Pizza Depot is a very popular pizza
Brand,
shop.
yes.
And even like people are going to eat pizza, they will come visit you 100% because they want a sweet after they're
And
eating.
Sarah, like I feel like the design of this place, it looks like a franchise. It's not a franchise, but it has the potential to be franchised in the future. If someone works out well in it and can have all the time and stuff, and you can open a lot of branches, copy the name, because even the name, cup or cone, like you guys know what that means is. So as soon as you walk in, normally like people ask you, do you want a cup or a cone? So that's the idea of it. It's really interesting just by hearing the name. And guys, there's a lot of machines on this side. So if you see this one, this is just like an ice cream mixer. So we're not a pro in ice cream, but like we kind of just went through some stuff. And ooh.
This is a Problem ice cream mixer.
Yeah, so like mixes ice cream and stuff all together. I think this is when you start and you put some toppings, because there's some toppings here, and this is gonna be the way to mix them all together. So
Very really cannot hold myself. It's
A
so
lot
hard.
of flavors, and some of these flavors they even like mix them by themselves. Like they have all the secret ingredients to do it, but of course the buyer, like the seller, will teach the buyer all these stuff so they can keep going what's already existed right now.
I was gonna mention something. So this business is gonna be listed for sale. If you guys don't want to buy the business, it's okay. You can still visit. You can try the ice cream. You can try whatever they have here in the menu. You will not regret it. We do not say something. We do not say fake stuff. You know, You're not gonna regret it.
Yeah.
Come and try it. Give it a try. It's amazing.
And the owner is not in a rush to sell, so like it's because this business is running, it's making money, and there's a customers. Like when we were filming, there's a couple of people tried to walk in, but we tried to lock the door because this place opens from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. So it's a very wide range, and most ice cream shops they close like at 5 or 7.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of ice cream shops that stay till 2 a.m. So that's really nice of them. This is like to make a soft ice cream as well. We don't want to pull it. Maybe there's
No,
an ice
don't
cream gonna
try.
fall, so we don't want to do this. And you have a sink here, a lot of storage
More
at the bottom.
toppings right here.
Storage on the bottom, and you have a fridge here, like a cooler. And this is your coffee maker, your coffee here, and this is
The mixer.
a mixer to make smoothies and stuff.
Yeah, and these are all very like expensive and good brands, as you guys know, like Ninja and all of these. Like these are very expensive appliances. These are not very cheap stuff.
Yeah, and what I like about this place is that everything is very unique. Like look at the menu for coffee, and that was the menu for the sweets and ice cream. This is the menu for the coffee. Like it's very unique. Like usually just see it with the prices and it all looks like boring. But everything here is very unique and very special, and including the artworks, the paintings, and the drawings, and everywhere. So it really makes it special. This is the place for collecting money, the cashier, and also it have, of course, like all the connections with Uber Eats, DoorDash, and all these stuff. Skip the
And
dishes.
there's also a cooler here at the bottom with all cabinets to the end of the aisle.
Yes. And Sarah, what do we always say?
Makes everything better.
I agree. So if that place is not enough, you also have another place here. Just this is your back end restaurant as well. So your kitchen, you have your commercial sink, a smaller sink, a few fridges here, and also a cooler at the end,
Yes.
and a lot of storage.
And
Like-
these are all also appliances that are included with the sale of the business. So basically everything you see here is going to be included with the sale of this business.
yeah, I think this is a grape maker. Or this is
This is a
another-
waffle machine.
Oh, waffle machine. Sorry, I
And
know
that
better.
is-
This is the grape maker.
Yeah, I have it at home, but a
This is the
smaller
waffle.
version.
Yeah, this is
That is a
waffle.
great machine, and this is just to melt your chocolate.
To be clear, I don't make waffle. And so here also you have another like an oven or cooktop, smaller one here. And this is a very important one. This is like an ice maker, because of course you're gonna be making smoothies and stuff. So the ice maker is like a must.
Of course.
And here,
And here is
this
a
just a
small-
place to store. This is an
small
oven. This is a small office area to do the paperwork
All
and
the
stuff.
shelves at the top, these are all extra storage for you.
And you're getting everything. So everything you see here is included in the sale. So there's a lot of stuff, there's a lot of potential. You can add to the menu whatever you like, or you can sell whatever existed because there's already clientele for this place.
And you can redesign the whole place. So for
Yes.
example, if you think this place is gonna fit you and you don't want to sell ice cream in the future, you can do that and you can leave that as like a whole dining area. And here is only gonna be your kitchen. Or if you wanna make it bigger, you wanna make it smaller, whatever you like.
So let's show them where did we come from. So this is like when you go from the dining area, have two places. From the other side is for employees to go to the kitchen area, and from this side for customers to go to the bathroom. And this is also have an access to the pizza, but this door most of the time is just closed. So the customers will walk in from here. Of course, this door will be closed because it's for employees only.
Closed and locked.
Closed and locked. And this place is for it has two bathrooms. This one has like a disability washroom here as well. It's a bigger version. It's a very nice and clean as well.
It is a clean. It's the most important thing in a restaurant is to have a clean bathroom. which is very rare, honestly.
Exactly, and this is just a regular bathroom. Again, it's similar style and it's very clean.
Yes.
And here is your power. You can see like they really focusing on these details, so it's nothing. Everything here is very clear and organized. You have your lighting switch, everything for the whole cafe from here. The lighting and stuff. There's a camera 24 hours in the whole place, so it's also run by cameras.
Even outside of the building.
Even outside, yes.
This is the back door.
This is the back door.
So if you want to load your products and you want to you have a truck that's coming, this space is gonna be for your truck to load your
parking a
products.
truck and loading materials from the back. And also maybe if the owner could park their car here, you can do a lot of stuff. And if you get too busy, you can use it for a couple tables here. So Sarah, what do you think about the place so far?
So I always say my honest opinion, because it's Ramadan, so we're not able to eat anything at the moment. But of course, we can always come after iftar. But anyways, we haven't tried it before, and that's why we're telling you guys that it is amazing. Like the taste, the smell, the cleaning, everything is perfect. Even if you guys do not want to buy the place, you can come and try it anyways. If you guys have any questions about this place, or if you want to come to book a private showing, you can give us a call. Our number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to watch more tours for businesses and houses like this, watch this video next.